This is why you need your lungs more than anything else. They work nonstop. Every second, every breath. Let's break down just how much you rely on them daily. In just 24 hours, your lungs inflate and deflate over 20,000 times. Every single breath pulls in about half a liter of air. That's like chugging a small bottle of water, but with oxygen. Multiply that by 20,000, and you're moving around 10,000 liters of air through your body every day. Zoom in. Inside your lungs, tiny air sacs called alveoli are working overtime. Picture this. Each breath, billions of alveoli swap out oxygen for carbon dioxide, keeping you alive and energized. They're like microscopic factories making the gas exchange happen in a split second 24/7. So next time you take a breath, remember, your lungs are marathon champions. 20,000 breaths, 10,000 liters of air, and you didn't even have to think about it. Science is literally in the air you breathe.